Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Monday, August the 15th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into the room. I share my screen all day long. And, excuse me, I'm live on the mic between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to join the room. But if you'd like to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, this is a link you can use. And there is a promo code depending on what particular subscription plan you decide on. If you took everything, which is our TI premium for 1 year, that would work out to about $5 a day. Well, another interesting day for me. I actually had a couple of some losers at the beginning. This one won. Let me get this chart just a little bit bigger. Yeah, a little disappointing on this one. Maybe jumped the gun a little bit. This was a CVI. Saw this. If you take a look at the daily, maybe you'll probably understand why I decided to take this trade. Um, Take a look here. Back it out a bit. You can see a nice void all the way up here. I take it this is one that Icon is maybe taking a look at. Carl Icon, or one of those big investors is taking a look at this one, and so I decided, I didn't realize it at the time. Somebody pointed it out to me. Come on. Sorry about that. My mouse is lagging just a little bit here. There we go. Okay. So on this initial candle, I thought, okay, not bad. It's over 15. You saw the gap and all that. So I decided to take the trade at 15.14 right up here, and it basically didn't do anything. It just sort of fizzled after that. Got out at 14.95, so I took a 19-cent loss on that one. Let's take a look at the other one that I took a loss on. A little disappointing on this one, though it's starting to come back. Now it's back to where I bought it. I got in at 5.12 on this one. Same sort of thing. Take a look at the daily chart. Look at this. Now, this is what you call a real void. Earnings are behind it. Obviously, something really devastating happened here, but it's starting to make a move back. So depending how this finishes, the high looks like around 520-ish. Depending how this finishes today, it's possible that I'll take a little bit and maybe swing it. It has to hold over $5. So, but unfortunately for me, I did take the trade at 512. Right up here, and then as it moved back down, I decided to get out just over $5, 501, so I took 11-cent loss there. However, on the good side, we had basically the one that kind of made my day was eBio. I'm still in this trade. Got the alert actually from the Predator, Alpha Predator at $5.08, right about here, just as it broke over 5. And I took the trade at 5.10, got out some at 5.23, and some more at 5.53. So I'm still in this trade. See what happens. See if it can, break out a little bit higher, but on a percentage basis, that really made up for the first two losses. The other one was didn't turn out to be too bad. Was OCUL. I'm out of the trade now. Kind of popped around a little bit. It took a while for this one to really sort of settle down. Finally got into this trade right here at 760. Almost had an immediate, I think I actually got in right here. Yeah, I got in on this. Sorry, I forgot to get rid of my email notifier. Just 1 second. All right, so OCUL. Now, the problem I had with this one is that, and in holding it, now we've got $8. Also, the 200-day moving average is around $8.20. So, we're getting into a bit of a resistance area. So I am now out of this trade, but it worked out. I actually got it on this candle here. Worked out quite well, 760 to 785. I had a few shares, so I was able to, really take advantage of that jump up there, and got out of the rest just over 760, around 763. Now it's starting to move back, but take a look at the daily chart, and again, it's one of those ones which, yeah, here again is this void, but this line right here represents the 200-day moving average. So I'm anticipating some resistance around here, But if it can move through 8 easily, and they get through here, then you've got another wonderful void. Maybe $3 to $4 void. So I will continue to watch this one tomorrow and see what happens with it. The other one was a quick one from Holly. We had some technical difficulties with Holly early. We didn't have any trades for the first hour and a half or so, and it wasn't because there weren't any alerts, but there was actually like a little technical difficulty. We started getting some alerts around 11 o'clock, and this was one of them, Cure. You can see right there, the blue is 9/11. Let's get a 15-minute chart here. Just click on it again. So there it is. 9/11 was the alert. 886 was the stop. I took the trade at 9:20. I got in right around here, and this popped almost immediately. It got all the way up to 9:44. I took some out at 9:39, and then as it made its way down, just a little over my buy of 9:20. So it was a quick trade, nothing spectacular, but quick. But again, take a look at the daily. And this is another one that I may, in fact, depending how it ends up, I may, in fact, decide to hold some. Certainly have to watch this tomorrow. Look at the void or the gap. All right, that's about it. I'm going to get back to the trading room and see what I can do with maybe that TBRA and a couple other ones, but get back to the trading room. Close this one down. Again, this is how to get into our room. It's a free room. I'm usually opening the room at about 8:45. That's when I start sharing my screen. That's when we start, for the first 45 minutes before the market opens. That's when we're looking for ideas for stock. Certainly looking at the big up gappers and the down gappers, the low floaters that might be on the move, to see whether or not we can get any quick trade to begin. Today I think we were looking at. I can't even remember what the name of it was, but it just kind of fizzled out. But that's what we do. Take a look at some of the ones that are moving early in the pre-market and see whether or not there's early continuation once the market opens. So it's a good idea to come to the room early and check out to see how we're approaching that pre-market. All right. Well, thanks for listening, and I hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.